baby, baby. Let me know. All I need is you, baby, baby. Over love, over love.
So it's day 3, guys. Welcome back. Day 3. I'm normally finished with all these jobs in a day and a half, but again, all this little tiny intricate. But I'm still going to stop saying but. Yes, we're coming to the end of this room, but then I've got to go downstairs. In fact, they're pretty reasonably big houses, you know. Oh, I can't stay from there. But anyway, I'm going to crack off, get this room finished. I'll let you have a look from outside. Catch you soon, bye bye. So that's it, folks, another little stage video. Toilet, toilet unit there, there's where the sink's going. All the little cut off the sink unit's going there. Some people have said, why are you angle grinding in that? So, well, I've had a bit of a word with plumber, when people are looking at it, and I agree with it. I used to do it that way up till about 5-6 years ago, and then I stopped doing it, and I'm going to start doing it again. I've got myself some little proper old cutters. Because when people look underneath it, that might not be covered. So, it looks better, it looks right, it's a good house. People are paying them on it, they want it. Well, that's phase 2. Hiya folks, phase 2 done, yes. And here it is. We've just got, no, I beg your pardon, we've just got to grout it, then it's done. Nice neat holes, lovely. Look at that. All that little top bit. You know, all this little top bit here, this is fiddly as hell, because they're really tiny little pieces. It was, I've shown you once, but they're little diddy little things. Look at them. Little tiny diddy, they're about 3-4 mil thick, and that's on a backing sheet. So there we go. I'm gonna have some dinner actually. It's getting past midday now, so I'm gonna have a bit of dinner. I'm gonna go sit in this porter cabin and boom, grout up. Bye bye. Right folks, next stage of development. I went upstairs. I can't quite grout it yet, but I'm down here now. And this is like, well, it's on suite, and that's gonna be half tiled, but these big, massive tiles. That's it, big, massive. They're 900 by 300, which are going to go just there, down there, halfway up. And then, yeah, I'm not doing it with the trap bed, we're doing a handheld one. And then, fully tiled. Again, 60 by 90, so that's nearly 3 foot by a foot, well it is 3 foot by a foot. Pretty big tiles. And that's it, so I'll have a look outside, see where we are. We're just somewhere in West Yorkshire, I can't tell you where we are, but yeah, relatively good houses. Yeah, quite big houses. So, fully packed off it to the second floor. All the way around. It really does. In fact, that'll be to do, but I don't know what's going to go on in there, I haven't been told yet. So, yeah. I'd forgotten I remembered about this. I forgot this even here, this is how big these houses are. Back through. Back through, back through. Back through. Somebody else is building some across there. I don't like those lads, they're not good at those. Nah, nowhere near as good as these. Anyway, back through. Yeah, that's where I've been. And back to where I'm going. So, I'll take you back up there when I've gathered. See you guys, bye bye. This is where we've been working, folks. And it's been a cracking day. This is it. It's quite a big house. Sunny it is here. But there we go. And that's it. I'm off. See ya.